We all know regular exercise is important, but it may not have been something you stuck with during the pandemic. Well, here's the good news. It's never too late to get back into it. And today we're talking about how to restart a yoga practice if you've been away from the mat for a while. Courtney Aronson from Studio 3 is joining us today with all the details. Now, Courtney, it's been a really rough year if you've been out of the studio and at home trying to do yoga. If we love to get back into the studio, what's our first step?
Step one is simply to sign up and show up. Find something that allows you to simply just be present. And if that is coming into the studio and being in a child's pose and breathing for 45 minutes, that's okay, right? Jumping in one class per week instead of jumping in full force. All those little decisions will help you to continue to start a new routine. You're okay where you are today, right? And that's probably not going to be where you were a year ago. That's really what yoga is. It's a practice. That word practice is so important. You feel a little bit intimidated and different walking back, but you always feel better leaving.
No matter how long it's been, it's important to remember that moving in any capacity can benefit us both mentally and physically.
Absolutely. I am a huge proponent of movement, and especially after this year, I'm sure a lot of people have been relatively sedentary. The ability to come into a space and be guided into safe movement and opening up the front areas of your body, your hips, all those areas that tend to hold a lot of tension, and that can be emotional tension as well, is so important. I always say, sometimes it's hard to get to a workout, but you never regret doing it. And that's so true when it comes to movement, especially after a year like this.
Okay, so today you're going to show us some moves to get started.
Absolutely, let's do it. So our first move is a kneeling lunge with a lateral side stretch. So as you come onto your space, it doesn't have to be a mat, you're going to step your right foot forward. You want 90-degree angles in your knee, your ankle, and your hip, and same on the back side. The same knee that's down is the arm you will extend overhead. As you reach long with your fingertips, you take a breath in. On your exhale, start to lean over to the right side of your space. Your goal is to find a nice stretch all the way through the front side of your body. Once you finish, you can come back, switch out your legs.
Okay, Courtney, what is move number 2?
Movement number 2 is a seated twist. So you'll come to a cross-legged position, get yourself comfortable, sit up nice and tall. Stretch the crown of the head up to the sky. You're going to inhale to reach your arms up to the sky. Exhale, you'll twist to the right. Left hand can land on the outside of the right thigh. Right hand lands behind you, kind of like a little kickstand. Press into the right palm to lengthen out through the spine. And then rotate any amount. You may take in a couple of breaths, you'll come back to center. Inhale to reach your arms back up, and exhale to twist the opposite direction.
Okay, give us some more inspiration with movement number 3.
Movement number 3, my personal favorite, we'll be doing a glute bridge. So you'll bend your knees to about 90 degrees. Heels are directly below the knees. Arms down by your sides, shielding the shoulders beneath you. Lifting the chest and the hips at the same time, pressing into your heels. You're looking for one straight line from your knees through your shoulders. Take about 3 to 5 good breaths before you bring your hips all the way back down.
Courtney, great moves. Yoga is really a great way to get back to health. Thank you so much. Are you making yoga part of your exercise routine? We want to hear about it. Just tag us on Instagram at Living Healthy TV. Hey, did you like that? And now you want more info about living a healthy life? Well, it's easy. Just check out these videos right here.